Bitcoin trades near $28,000, Ether stays above $1,900. Binance Australia customers selling Bitcoin at discount to rival exchanges. Binance adds Cardano and Litecoin into USD trading pairs. Optimism token prices slide 7% ahead of $580 million OP unlock, doubling token supply. ECB finalizes digital euro prototypes as development decision looms. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading mixed on Tuesday as optimism created by the US debt ceiling deal was offset by signs of sticky inflation. Bitcoin dropped below $28,000 mark while Ethereum traded near $1,900 crucial levels. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.3% at 38,360 points. On the economic front, investors will focus on May jobs data, April job openings, and labor turnover survey from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, which is scheduled to be announced later in the week. Meanwhile, the commitment of traders report shows that asset managers have increased their open long positions in Bitcoin after failing in the 2 prior weeks. The 24 contract increase follows a reduction of 162 contracts the week prior. In an interesting news, daily transactions for Litecoin have steadily increased. Since May 10, the blockchain has handled between 172,000 and 532,000 transactions per day. Floki, a token inspired by the iconic Shiba Inu dog breed, experienced a stunning 232% rise in trade volumes in the beginning of the week. The revived interest in Floki Inu is due to its expansion intentions in China, including its Valhalla Metaverse game. The global cryptocurrency market fell 0.1% to $1.16 trillion in the past 24 hours, while the trading volume decreased by 20% to $27 billion. While talking about Layer 2 solutions, Optimism price dropped around 7% as OP tokens worth over $587 million as set B unlocked this week. Data from MintSwap shows that the trading activity on the Cardano-based decentralized exchange MintSwap increased over the past few days from just over $1 million at the start of May to $18 million this week due to increasing interest in the meme coin space. Stock futures rose after the Biden administration and Republican lawmakers reached a tentative deal on raising the US debt ceiling. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 91 points or 0.3%, while S&P 500 futures gained 0.6%. Nasdaq 100 futures climbed 1.2%. Bitcoin was trading at $27,960, up 0.3%. According to Dune Analytics, the total number of Bitcoin ordinals inscription to date has surpassed 10 million transactions. Ordinals quickly overtook as the most preferred technique to create new assets or record information on the Bitcoin network. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.6%, trading at $1,913. BNB was up by 0.1% to trade at $313. Solana SOL was up 2.8% and was trading at $21.3. Cardano's AD token was up and was trading at $0.38. According to Messari data, Cardano, the third largest smart contract platform by market capitalization, has seen a significant rise in its transaction fees. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $14.7, higher 0.3%. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.2% at $0.073. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.50, up by 4.7%. According to sentiment data, the XRP network witnessed 2 of the high spikes in address activity over 2 consecutive days. Polkadot was up by 0.5% to trade at $5.5. However, Polygon Matic was trading down by 1.6% to trade at $0.91. Shiba Inu was trading down by 0.8%.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Bitcoin prices on the Australian arm of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, were almost 9,000 Australian dollars lower than prices on rival exchanges on Tuesday, and assigned customers were seeking to exit their positions quickly. The price of the world's biggest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was at around 34,000 Australian dollars on Binance Australia, compared with 43,000 Australian dollars on BTC Markets, an Australia-based cryptocurrency exchange. Earlier this month, the Binance unit said some customers in Australia will not be able to deposit or withdraw money after a third-party service provider cut off its service. Binance has been battling regulatory suits and probes around the world. The company said in April it would close its Australian derivatives business after relinquishing a financial services license amid a regulatory probe into its operations. The world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, on Tuesday said it will add Cardano and Litecoin trading pairs against TUSD stablecoin. The crypto exchange also revealed zero maker fees for the ADA or TUSD and LTC or TUSD spot and margin trading pairs. ADA and LTC prices are picking momentum due to positive developments. According to an official announcement on May 30, crypto exchange Binance introduces TUSD spot and margin trading pairs for Cardano and Litecoin. Users can start trading ADA or TUSD and LTC or TUSD from May 31st at 8 UTC. Start time for ADA or TUSD and LTC or TUSD margin trading pairs will be announced separately. The exchange will allow users to trade ADA or TUSD and LTC or TUSD spot and margin trading pairs at zero maker fees until further announcement. The move comes in an effort to increase liquidity on the exchange by attracting traders. Tokens worth over $587 million of Ethereum scaling protocol Optimism are set to be released into the open market on Tuesday as part of a planned unlock plan, leading to prices of OP tokens falling 7%. When tokens are unlocked, their holders are then able to sell or swap that token if they wish to do so. The more than 386 million Optimism tokens are currently held by early contributors and investors, and the move will nearly double OP's circulating supply, which stands at 335 million tokens on Tuesday morning. The unlock comes as OP tokens have been on a general downturn since February this year, sliding from $3 to $1.5 even as Bitcoin and Ether gained at least 50% in that period. OP trades at $1.50 as of Tuesday with a trading volume of $103 million over the past 24 hours. The European Central Bank has finalized prototypes for a digital euro as it prepares to take a decision later this year over whether to develop the EU's fiat currency in a new format, according to reports released on Friday. The ECB says its potential central bank digital currency can be designed to boost innovation, but appears more skeptical about using Web3-style distributed ledger technology and smart contracts. While the digital euro was at one stage floated as an answer to Facebook's own currency, Libra, subsequently renamed Dime and then abandoned, the ECB's prototypes have been plagued by controversy due to the involvement of another US tech giant, Amazon. As EU lawmakers called for a U-turn on the plan's ECB executive board member, Fabio Panetta, appeared keen to downplay the long-term significance of Amazon's involvement, saying that prototypes were a lab experiment to be discarded and not used further. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
The Litecoin network has seen an unparalleled increase in daily transactions since May 2nd, 2023. Bitcoin.com News first reported this event on May 18th, and the pace of LTC transactions shows no signs of stopping. To put this in context, the previous maximum number of confirmed daily transactions for Litecoin was on September 26, 2022, when 211,000 transactions were logged. The previous record was achieved on June 24, 2021, with 196,000 transactions. Litecoin's daily transaction volume varied between 90,000 and 130,000 transactions per day for the most of 2022 and the first months of 2023. Occasionally reaching high of 150,000 to 175,000. However, the recent surge in daily transfers on the Litecoin network marks a new trend, unlike anything observed before. Moreover, on May 10th, Litecoin achieved a milestone of processing 7 transactions per second, followed by 6 transactions per second on May 25th. Litecoin was trading at $91.46, up 0.15% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $6 billion. Floki, a token inspired by iconic Shiba Inu dog breed, experienced a stunning 232.83% rise in trade volumes on Monday. This increase represents the cryptocurrency's highest level of trading activity in over the 3 weeks. The revived interest in Floki Inu is due to its expansion intentions in China, including its Valhalla Metaverse game. Trading volumes for the tokens exceeded $99 million, far exceeding the previous week's average of $25 million. The recent rise in demand for Floki Inu tokens can be related to the Valhalla Metaverse game being advertised during Chinese supporting championships. The prominence of these advertisements drew the attention of speculators, who speculated that fresh traders from China might be enticed to the tokens. The increased presence of Chinese community members on Floki creators' social media channels indicates a growing interest in the project from Chinese investors. Floki Inu was trading 1.62% down in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $3 million. The enormous and faithful Shiba Inu army of users has once again exhibited high success in burning their favorite meme coin SHIB, as they have eliminated about 250 million SHIB coins in the previous 24 hours. According to data from the SHIB burn tracking platform, these successful efforts have increased the burn rate by over 1,447%. Meanwhile, thousands of new Shiba Inu wallets appeared in a single day, resulting in a stunning increase in Shiba network over the weekend. Despite this increased activity, SHIB rose only by 2.28% in the last week. SHIB burn rate skyrockets, destroying millions of coins. Shiba Inu community members eliminated a total of 2 million SHIB from the market supply in the last 24 hours, according to the data released by SHIB burn on its website. This is around the equivalent of $2,000. This time, weekly burns are working much better. According to the aforementioned source, the SHIB army has gotten rid of 2 billion SHIB in total over the last week. This is 51.48% less than the previous identical period, when around 5 billion Shiba Inu coins were removed from circulation. Shiba Inu was trading at 1.08% down in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $5 billion.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.